On May 11th, we have a great opportunity to demonstrate the Class 1 ISO, or Insurance Services Office's, rating of our fire and rescue department here in Fairfax County, to demonstrate the ability and capability for fire suppression. We're going to have a live burn exercise that will demonstrate the ability and capability of fire suppression. It's going to be great. We hope that everyone has an opportunity to come out and see the exercise, but more importantly, if you will, to be able to understand how great of a capability the fire rescue department here in Fairfax County has for suppressing fire. So on May 11th, it'll be a great opportunity.